welcome back to another one of our videos. It is me, Miss Dani, and
Miss Megan.
And we have a really fun activity or craft for you guys today. So if you have stopped by the library, you have picked up a kit to make your very own cemeterrarium. And now, what is a cemeterrarium, you might ask? It is a spooky terrarium. Now, ours aren't going to be that spooky, but if you have the stuff for it at home, I mean, go for it. I want to see the spookiest of terrariums you got for me.
Oh, yeah.
But with our kit, you will get everything that you need to make one of your very own. You will receive some brown moss, some green moss. You'll receive some potting soil as well to add to the, spookiness because you needed some dirt. And you will also receive these little cute succulents that are fake, by the way. So if you're like me and Miss Megan and you can't keep plants alive, this is the plant
This is for us.
for you. And then along with that, every kit will receive 2 little mystery items in there. Well, it's not going to be a mystery no more because you've either opened your kit or you watched this video beforehand. But you will receive these cute little figures to go in as decoration with your little cemeterariums. So you have a tombstone, there's pumpkins, there's ghosts, there's mushrooms. You never know what you're going to get with your kit, but just going to make it even more one of a kind and special because everybody's going to receive something different. So today I'm going to be showing everyone at home along with Miss Megan how to make your very own spooky cemeterrarium.
Yay, I'm so excited. We saw these all over Pinterest and I cannot wait. I wanted one a lot. So now my dream's coming true. We're going to make them.
Yeah, I was like sending pictures and showing her like the demos. I was like, oh, this is getting cooler and cooler.
That's so cool.
So if you guys are ready, I know I am, we'll go ahead and get started. So first things first is we're going to need to put some soil on the bottom. Now the soil is going to work really, really well if you end up putting like a real succulent inside of there. I mean, this is totally big enough to where you can have an actual living plant inside of them and where it's going to work. So I just stuck mine in there. You will receive the dirt at home in cute little baggies. It's going to be a lot better than ours right here.
And you can put like air plants in it. Those are always really cool because you don't have to water them that much. I like those. I
know, right? There's no way that those are going... Oh no, you could kill them.
You could kill them. You could kill them, but
you can put in as little or as much dirt as you want. You see, I just did a little right there. Megan got that much. If you wanted to put a real plant in here, though, I do recommend that you put the soil first, then you put some rocks on there for the water to seep through and the roots to be able to grow around, and then you put the moss on top then with your plant. So there is that. You'll have your little dirt in there. Get it nice and situated. If you want your images or your plants to sit towards the back, I do recommend you push the dirt back some more so that way it's more slanted. This dirt will make a good base for however you're going to have your plants set up. So what you're going to need next is you're going to want to get your moss. So you can do it all green with the green that you received in your kits, or you can use brown, or you can do like I am. I'm going to do a little bit of both because it adds to this little like spookiness effect.
Yeah, I like both. It looks nice.
So you can get as little as much, but then what you're going to do is you're just going to stuff it in there, and then you're going to smush it down just a bit, because smushing it down will help give it that layer. Now this moss, fair warning, is pretty messy, so wherever you're working at, make sure you got a good working station.
I'm definitely making this.
And then it's alright if some of the moss sticks out, because then it just adds to it. So there's like no right or wrong way on how to do this.
Okay.
You stuff that in there. Right, and then once you stuff that in there, what you're going to do next is you're going to get your succulent plant, and you'll have that. Then from there, you're going to pull from the very base of it because it is glued, and you're just going to rip it out.
Cool.
You can use these pots for whatever you want, but we don't need them for now. So you're going to rip it out, and you're going to see there's a little stick in there. This stick in there is going to help support your succulent plant standing up inside the terrarium. So you can just stick that in there. If you feel like you don't have enough space or you still see the stick, you can always just cut it down or add more moss in there to help make it stable. So like for mine, I'm going to go ahead and add some more moss because mine's falling forward.
Okay.
So give it a little bit of oomph in there, but I like whenever my moss hangs out because it just looks like it's growing and it's coming for you. So then you'll see right there with the moss and the succulent in, it is now coming together. Really, really nice, really, really cute.
So
oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Especially with the dirt coming out more and you can see it.
I like
oh my gosh.
So much. And it's fun from all angles.
Yeah,
that's
like
the cool
it's
part.
visually pleasing from every which way. So then once you have your dirt, your moss, and your succulent plant in, the next step is to put your little trinkets in there. So my little trinket is this cute little tombstone and this little pumpkin.
And mine is a cute little pumpkin as well. And then I have some fun little mushrooms here. So
cute.
I know they're really cute. I'm excited to put all those in.
So then what you're going to do from there is you're just going to place them inside your terrarium wherever you think fits for them, okay? So they can go right at the opening, right at in the very back, however you want to have it in there. So you might have to move some moss around and stuff like that just to get it to stand up a little bit. If you do have hot glue at home, you could always put like a dab of hot glue on there.
That's a good idea.
And just stuff it in there. It's totally your choice to help make it stand.
Yeah.
So there's that. And my pumpkin. I might need to add some dirt in here.
Oh, we can add dirt.
Oh, we can. But then I kind of like it like this. So I'm pushing mine more back like yours because I like how it has that angle.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to understand the way you want it to look until you get everything in there.
See,
so
I'm like
play
looking.
with it.
See, she's teaching me. I'm supposed to be teaching
No.
her, and I'm like, I
No,
love the
she's
dirt
teaching
in
me.
yours.
She's teaching me. I thought the same thing. I was like, I like how she has less dirt in hers. So they're all beautiful in their own way.
Each one's gonna look different, but you can always add as much or as little dirt in there to get the effects that you need.
And if you like really want to add more like pumpkins and stuff, you can definitely find stuff at the dollar store, get clay, make your own, and just keep adding to it.
All of the supplies bought for these items were bought both at Walmart and at the Dollar Tree. So they're all very inexpensive things that you can buy, create at home. And I know they do have this type of clay at the dollar store. So if you wanted to, you can get everything at the dollar store, and this craft could run you about $1, $2, $3, like $5 max. Because I know I've seen all this stuff and I was like, I'm buying this stuff for home. So once you put your cute little trinkets in there and you have it all set, you are pretty much finished. But there's one last piece, because you want to be able to hang these from its little top, is to add the string that is in your guys' kits. So you're going to get your string and you're going to cut it. And of course, Miss Dani always forgets something. Notorious. We're going to get some scissors.
Perfect.
So we're going to give you guys a fairly long string. That way you can decide how high or how low you want this to hang. But I think I want mine like that.
Yeah.
So then snip that in there. Then you're just going to run it through the loop and then tie it however you want. I think the added effect of like leaving all the extras instead of like trying to make it nice and crisp and clean really add
I do too.
to what you are making. Do make sure you double knot your twine though and pull nice and tight to make sure that it's secure and it doesn't just like fall off on you and then you're like, no, I just got it perfect, and then it just goes plunk.
Yeah. But they're not super heavy, so that's good.
Yeah.
Ooh.
See.
They're
So then,
fun.
once you add your string, you will have your very own cemeterrarium for you to enjoy at home. Which is so, oh my gosh, your mushrooms look so cute.
I love the mushrooms, I love the pumpkins, and your little gravestone looks great next to the pumpkin.
Yeah, pumpkin and that little added dirt in there really just add to it. But once you have that finished, you clean up your area afterwards, you are all set and good to go with your very own DIY cemeterrarium, a little spooky terrarium to enjoy and hang during this Halloween season. So I do hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you like, share, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button. That way you get alerted whenever we upload new videos.
Yeah, and make sure you send us pictures
Oh
of
my
what
gosh, yes.
your cemeteriums look like.
Yes.
Because they're so fun. We are excited to see what they all look like. So just tag us with the hashtag read a couple books, read a CPO books, or send us an email, send us a message on Facebook or social media, because we can
Any which way you can reach
Yeah.
us. Like, share them with us. We want to see what your guys' look like.
Definitely.
But other than that, we hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Bye.